There is a massive news circulating about AI crypto coins, and instead of showing greedy behavior by consuming too much content, I suggest you stick to this video, because this cycle can help you earn from these 4 AI crypto coins in 2024, even if you have not earned anything yet. There was a major AI conference that had been a positive catalyst, and AI altcoins are going to skyrocket because of it. We already saw AI as one of the hottest narratives of 2023, and this year, it's on the top once again. Now, disclaimer, because I'm not a crypto expert and not a financial advisor, I'm sharing this based on predictions and possibilities, so always invest the price you are willing to lose. AI Conference. Now, what was this AI conference? It was the NVIDIA conference that was held recently from March 18 to 21st March. This was the biggest AI conference of the year, where many speakers spoke about the AI industry. This conference was expected to bring lots of new information, like announcements and updates from different companies trying out AI. Plus, discussions about cryptocurrency projects also happened. The founders talked at the NVIDIA conference, which definitely created a buzz leading up to the event. AI coins are already performing well. Just in the last week, some of the main AI coins have gone up by 50%, 60%, and even 100%. And some of the smaller ones have seen gains in the hundreds of percent. Clearly, there's a lot of potential around AI at the moment. My top AI altcoin picks. Now, let's talk with the major one that is leading the market right now, Render. It has hit a fully diluted valuation of $6 billion. This is mind-blowing, and it is still going to be higher and higher. Here, it's clear that Render broke out of an upward channel in mid-February. This breakout led RNDR into a phase of price discovery, where it reached new highs. Following a few weeks of consolidation, Render surged again, surpassing its previous peak and reaching a new record of $12.6, which was recorded on 9th March. Render token, RNDR, is a network that shares GPU computing power over the Ethereum blockchain, linking artists and studios needing this power with miners who rent out their capabilities. As more of the creative industry turns into decentralized solutions and the demand for top-notch rendering services rises, Render Network becomes even more appealing. In recent news, a big transaction involving Render has been spotted, adding to the positive outlook for Render. On-chain data shows a hefty purchase of 22,221 Render tokens, valued at about $157,306, bought at $7 each. Such substantial interest from big investors often signals confidence in the project and can drive up its value even more. Now, what's the reason for Render going that higher? Is linked to the NVIDIA conference. The Render CEO Jules Urbach, in a post weeks ago, he shared a post and said that they are excited to brainstorm the future. And he announced that he will speak at the NVIDIA conference on Wednesday, March 20th. So, that's the reason behind this great price hype of Render. Remember the last price hype of Render because of the Apple WWDC event of 4th June 2023? So this is going to be further higher in the short term than before, which was actually pre-conference trading. And it'll not be the greatest risk as compared to some others. Its price suits around $11.44, experiencing a slight dip at this time. But I hope another pump is on its way. The second AI coin of today is Bitensor. Bitensor is another AI coin that is leading the market right now, with a market cap of $4 billion and its fully diluted valuation of $14 billion. Bitensor's highest paid price was $757.60, which was recorded on March 7th. The current price of Bitensor is $683.33, which is comparatively 9.98% less than the all-time highest paid price. Bitensor is a blockchain network focused on AI and GPU computing. It operates similarly to other proof-of-stake blockchains, utilizing validators to validate transactions, with users transacting using the TAO Taushi token. But unique to Bitensor is its 32 subnets, each with its own miners and validators, serving various AI-related functions. These subnets are integral to the network's functionality, facilitating tasks such as price predictions and language translation. After analyzing the price and the current market situation in the AI industry, I can conclude that the current forecast for Bitensor price prediction is bullish. Bitensor would have to increase by 30.08% to hit the $875.29 target in the coming days. Moving forward, it will be important to monitor the Bitensor market sentiment, the key support and resistance levels, and other metrics. However, keep in mind that the cryptocurrency markets are unpredictable, and even the largest crypto assets display a lot of price volatility. The next AI altcoin on the list is the AIOZ network. Now, this one is for long-term play. AIOZ is basically the AI powerhouse, which is composed of 4 different ecosystems. They have a way to store data, stream videos on the web, and use nodes. Now we can see a huge price pump in AIOZ. It's outperforming in the last week, and as you can see, there was a little bit of a downslip here that surely was a price correction. It's again pumping. AIOZ has hit a market cap of $852 million, which is up 15% in 24 hours. I know this is not crazy, but it's still pumping. Fully diluted valuation is same, $852 million. AIOZ currently trading at 78 cents, and it's getting really close to reaching $1. After paying the highest price of $2.65 on 3rd April 2023, AIOZ is pumping again that much. I'm expecting more green candles here, as you can see these red candles. That was a price correction and not a big deal. In a bull market, when you can see big drops in value or corrections, take advantage of them. The tokens that bounce back the strongest give a clue that they might keep going up. So, next time there's a big dip, check which tokens bounced back well last time. Meme coins and AI tokens are good examples now. You can either set limit orders to be ready or jump in when you see these big swings in value, because even if you invest halfway through the week, you'd already be up by 40% on this, and likely even more on other AI coins too. Now, I'm expecting the AIOZ will hit these green candles up to the 90 to 94 cents target, which is relatively very close to a $1 mark in a few days. You might see some decline after that, which will not be a huge loss again. In short-term performance right now, AI narratives are super hot, and this one is also performing in long-term as I said before. My last coin is of SingularityNet. Now, as I previously talked about the NVIDIA conference, before the conference, AGIX SingularityNet, which is a project on the Cardano blockchain, has seen big gains, nearly reaching its highest value ever. It aims to make AI tools available to everyone and spark innovation in different fields, attracting investors from around the world. With a fully diluted valuation of $1.71 billion, AGIX is trading at $1.23, which is going to explode further in the next few days. This recent price is 16.10%, less than the all-time highest paid price, which was $1.46 and recorded on 10th of March. Here, we saw a huge price difference on March 1st, right after their beneficial AGI Summit and Uniconference in Panama City. And this is the highest paid ever recorded. Now there we see these green candles, a mind-blowing explosion. But this decline there shows the true trading nature, and it also was not the biggest loss. Now, this is the indication of pumping the AGIX price in the next few days until the end of March. We'll witness further rise. Developments within the SingularityNet ecosystem, such as increased adoption, partnerships, or technological advancements, can also influence AGIX's price positively. Moreover, the recent NVIDIA conference, focusing on advancements in the AI industry, could introduce new opportunities revealing and affecting market sentiment, potentially impacting AGIX's price as well. Summary. Now, from this whole analysis and market trend, we can see all these coins are performing wonders, and you can get profit from all of these. You can hit 20, 60, and even 100%. We see them in the top position in the list of top AI and big data coins by market capitalization and coin market cap data. Now, here we see Render's weekly exploded performance, but in the past 24 hours. It's not very exciting. Bitensor showed a huge pump last week as compared to this one, and it's expected to pump in the upcoming days. Here is SingularityNet, better hopes for this too, and the AIOZ network. Now, this is showing a great indication. Here to sum up which one among them is most likely to go in the top 10 by market capitalization. Now, here are the chances of AIOZ and Render, but before predicting that, we should consider the market trends too. Render is one of the most trending coins right now, and we should consider the Render CEO Jules Urbach's recent speech at the NVIDIA conference. So I think this could fuel the fire and things will be better in the way of render. Now again, it's not financial advice. Do your own research based on this news and always invest the amount you are willing to use. Subscribe to the channel because these updates are very time sensitive, and hit the like button.